From the day you walk in and the day we walk you out and we've patted you on the back and said, good work, it usually takes on the average of anywhere, I would say, close to 12 weeks, 3 months. However, you'll never go without teeth. Usually you'll come in and we'll remove certain teeth in your mouth, usually the posterior teeth and maybe the anterior teeth. A lot of times, if you desire, we'll take all the teeth out at once, and then we'll put the prosthesis in, and you'll wear something, what we call an interim, temporarily for a short time. At that particular point in time after that, we'll make sure that you have permanent teeth. We would love you to come in and get a free consultation so you can see what fits you best. But there are a variety of different systems that you could use which would fit you best. And we would be more than happy to explain to you how they all operate and work and function.